showing you how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure you watch for the video and stay tuned.
The old screen of the application. This really is pretty much just one of those IPTV application, and all you have to do is just get the link and add the plus icon here. Once you have the link, you paste the link here and you give it a title or a name, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And it will allow you to watch the movie through this application here, whether it be online or any local videos you can able to watch using this application here. And as well, you can download these videos. Although I don't have anything to show you guys how this pretty much works, but it's a very great application and it doesn't have a lot of ads. There's completely no ads at all for this application, and I do recommend you checking this application out if you're gonna need some time going down there. But do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And if I missed anything, any questions, if you have any questions that you want to ask, just comment below and we'll grab them still down. And whatever else guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, see you guys in the next video.